Stormworms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto Edge 2026 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto Edge 2026 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $529.99 for retail price, no contracts, of course. So if you guys are looking to get a decent smartphone at a decent price, I mean, the Moto Edge is basically Motorola's like flagship phone. So if you want to get it at a really good deal, Verizon Prepaid has you covered here. So the Moto Edge is now available in the Pantone Martini Olive color. So it's like a brownish color, so it looks very nice. Does the front with that front and back, very nice looking phone. 128 gigabytes of storage there, so very nice there, standard for the base model anyway. Front and back of the phone there, as you guys will see. Hole punch for your front facing camera there. There's a button on the left side of the phone. I don't know what that button does. I don't know if that's a customizable button where you can customize it to different actions or apps. That's new to me. I've never seen that before. That's probably new this year for the Motorola Edge phones, I guess. I've never seen that till just now. Back of the phone, it's a triple camera system, camera flash. It has like a camera bump, so be mindful of that. Right side of the phone has your power button and your volume keys. Okay, so also, I'm recording this off my TV, so I have it mirrored to my TV as well, so I can see it a lot better. So, bear with me here on that. So, front of the phone, I just said hole punch, front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone has the I guess the customizable button. Back of the phone, triple camera system, camera flash, Motorola logo, very nice. Left side of the phone there has that button there. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. The left side of it again, back. And yeah. Like I said, it's $529.99. So says here, introducing the new Moto Edge, a pocket-friendly standout that's anything but ordinary. Compact, slim, and super durable. Moto Edge 2026 is in step with your on-the-go life and built to last with military-grade protection. Our triple 50 megapixel camera system is ready to deliver professional results effortlessly, featuring a Sony LYT-710 main camera. So that's pretty cool. So I guess the main camera sensor is a Sony sensor, so that's pretty cool. You get 4K recording, that's nice. And editing with Google Gemini if you guys want to do that. Need to get going fast. Fuel up for the day in just 7 minutes with the unbelievable speed of 60-watt turbo power charging. So, that's pretty fucking insane. So, yeah. Enjoy having a smarter assistant in your pocket, all on a brighter 6.3-inch Super HD display with even faster performance. Make life a little more extraordinary with Moto Edge 2026. The screen is a little bit small. I don't know if that's a typo or if that's the correct screen. God damn it. I'm not really sure. So, yeah. There's reviews there. If you guys want to read those, I mean, y'all guys can read those. Specs. Shit. So it's compact, slim, durable. Says elegantly thin and light with the latest Pantone color and a trill inspired finish, and backed by worry-free protection. Pre-grade triple 50 megapixel camera system. So all cameras in the back are 50 megapixels, so that's nice. Says get professional results effortlessly with a Sony LYT-710 main camera, 4K recording on all lenses, which is very sweet as well, and editing with Google Gemini. Power for the day in just 7 minutes. Fuel up fast with the unbelievable speed of 60-watt turbo power charging, plus enjoy wireless charging and a 5,000 milliamp battery. So it's nice. A smarter assistant in your pocket. Stay organized. Remember life's details. and catch up with your day and bring your ideas to life using AI powered experiences. Brighter 6.3 inch display, brighter 6.3 inch Super HD display. View content clearly outdoors thanks to 5200 nits of peak brightness on a sharper high-res screen with PANTONE validated colors. So that's pretty cool there. Lag-free experience. It's nice. It says pursue your passions without lag or delays thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 7450 processor plus enjoy RAM boost and 128 gigabytes of built-in storage. So very nice there. The design of the phone there, you guys know what the phone looks like. It looks very nice. It's available in a PANTONE Martini Olive color, so it's like a brownish color, so it's very nice. Your dimensions on the middle edge are 6 inches height, 0.28 inches width. The length of the phone is 2.83 inches, if you guys care about that. The depth of the motor razor is 0.28 inches, so the length is like your depth, I guess. So that's pretty interesting. So the next level materials, it has super bright HD display, vegan leather, intact fingerprint coating rear, IP68, IP69. Hashtag nice on that one. Dust and water resistance. The motor edge weighs 5.66 ounces. USB-C charging, of course. Your accessibility settings are there. Battery is a 50 is a 5,000 mAh battery, up to 387 hours of standby time. Usage time up to 50 hours. Fast charging, wireless charging. Fast charging is at 60 watts, so it's pretty fucking fast for this phone. Wireless charging, I don't know what voltage the wireless charging. That's probably at like maybe 25, I guess. I'm not really sure. Network, you get 4G. You will get Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, ACAX, Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi hotspot. Star ratings there. Clubbing and roaming network, 5G, and you get 5G ultra wideband as well. You have to have a plan to support that. That's for Verizon's fastest 5G is ultra wideband. So yeah, it's a world device as well, which works in over 200 countries depending on the plan. Additional features, it has wireless emergency alerts. Prop 65 is like some California thing. If you guys wanna learn more about that, just Google Prop 65. Camera is the front camera is a 50 megapixel camera. Holy shit. Quad pixel front camera. 50 megapixel Sony LYT-710 sensor with optical image stabilization. Omnidirectional all pixel focus. 4K videos on all cameras at 30 frames per second, and you get 4HD videos at 30 and 60 frames. All cameras on the rear 50 megapixels. You get 4K videos on all of those. The 50 megapixel front facing camera. You might get 4K videos on the front camera too. I'm not really sure. I guess try it out and see if you do. Doesn't say if you do, but I know all cameras on the back are 50 megapixels, and they include 4K videos on all cameras on the rear. Not sure about the front though, even though it's the same megapixels, but you have a lot more off camera features on the rear cameras anyway. Camera modes, you have 30 times speed per zoom, action shot, auto night vision, auto smile capture, face retouch, frame match, gesture capture, Google Lens, and erasing, which is pretty cool. Nice features to have there. HDR, live filter, macro, night vision, panorama, Pantone skin tone, validated, Pantone validated color, photo booth, photo enhance engine, portrait mode, pro mode, scan powered by Adobe Scan. So I guess you can like scan documents and shit. I guess it's pretty cool. Signature style, smart color, watermark, ultra HDR, ultra resolution, performance. It has Bluetooth 5.4. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 7450 clock. A MediaTek Dimensity 7450 chipset, which is an octa-core chipset. Android 16 on board. You should get like a couple updates on this one. You should get, I would say, 2 major OS updates on this one. You should at least get 2, maybe 3 if you're lucky. Motorola's update outline is that the flagship phones, as far as I know, that you get 2 updates. Because my Moto Edge 2022, it came with Android 12, and I got the Android 15, so I got Android 15 on my Moto Edge 2022. So you might get 3 updates on this phone, so you might get all the way up to Android 19 on here. So yeah, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, hotspot, security. You get phone screen fingerprint reader, face unlock, Think Shield, which is a Motorola security feature and whatnot. Moto Secure 5.0, roll time, kernel protection. That's nice. Display is a 6.3-inch display, which kind of small in today's standards, so that's kind of small. A lot of phones are 6.7 inches or higher. 6.3 inches is still pretty decent size. It's still decent size, but 6.3 inches is considered small in today's standards. 120 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio. So yeah. What comes with the phone? Give me a second. Let me scroll back up here. Come on. So what comes with the Moto Edge 2026 is, of course, your Moto Edge 2026 prepaid smartphone. Type-C to Type-C charging cable, SIM ejection tool, and your guides, like your terms and conditions, booklets, and stuff like that. And you'll need a 60-watt turbo power charger. You all have to buy that separately because it does not come with one. So send it off in the box there. All right. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Edge 2026 is not here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $529.99, which is not a bad deal at all. It's a really good deal. It has great specs, great features for what it is. If you guys like Motorola phones and you guys like the Edge series, it's definitely a nice lineup of phones to check out, because I had the Moto Edge 2022, and that was a nice phone when it came out in 2022. This is a nice phone as well. Obviously, it has better specs and features than the 2022 version, but nonetheless, the Moto Edge lineup has been a great lineup. It's been awesome, so I'll check it on that if you guys are interested. No contracts, of course. You will have to pay full retail price for this phone, so definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.